I am over the moon excited about this video. In fact, I think it's probably one of my favorite videos, hands down. Part 4 of the Budget Beauty series. This time we are focusing on attire, but something very, very particular. Wedding and event dresses. Y'all, I blew my mind on this one. I found dresses $59 and under. You heard me right. $59 and under. It's craziness. All the shoes that I bought to go with the dresses cost more than the dresses themselves. The shoes were purchased at DSW, so you know I didn't spend a lot of money on those either. Mind blowing. Just goes to show you don't have to spend $1 million to look like $1 million. I'm going to start with more of the long formal type wedding dresses or event dresses. This would be more of a nighttime, more of an indoor evening type of an event. The first one is so beautiful in my opinion. It is the Shein Missord Damask Sequin Mermaid Hem Prom Dress. It is a glamorous multicolor graphic damask pattern, maxi style dress, BODYCON. It is fitted with a zipper in the back, slim fit V-neck long sleeve with a nice high waist so it makes you seem all long and lean. It has a bit of a mermaid fit to it. The dress is lined with sequins, about 65% polyester, 35% cotton, has a nice stretch to it. Extremely comfortable. The pattern itself was just so beautiful to me. I love the gold beige undertone with this sort of warm green sequin pattern. This dress is $55. You heard me right, $55. I am wearing with it Charles David Vania sandal in light pink. The shoes are $79.99. Can you believe the shoes cost more than the dress? I chose to accessorize it with a pair of costume earrings that I had that pick up the colors in the dress and I think give it just a little bit of a pop. But what a stunning presentation for a nighttime wedding or special event. Nobody on earth would think that you spent $55 for a dress like this. Comes in size small to extra large. Now I did notice when I went back online to take a look at the price, it was out in small, medium, and large. But what I will say about the Missord brand on the Shein website, there are many, many dresses that are very similar to this one. So if you can't find this particular dress, chances are they will probably restock, but they will also offer you suggestions as to what might look like it. And I found about 5 others that I easily would have ordered from the website. So hands down, incredible dress for the price. And you know, I thought pretty well made for $55. So that blew my mind. Okay, we're gonna move on to the second mind-blowing dress. This one is really tying into a very popular color this season, which is sort of a soft mossy green. I love the ruffle detail on this dress too. It gives it just beautiful movement. It is also by Shein. The bishop sleeve contrast mesh layered hem dress, a very elegant dress in mint green. It's long A-line fit. It has the contrast mesh and the tiered layer going on the lower half of the dress. It does zipper in the back. Long, beautiful, flowy bishop sleeve. The sleeve and that ruffle detail, I'm telling you, when you move, it just gives it such interest. It has a nice high waist, definitely for spring and fall because of the color. It's not sheer at all. It is layered and tiered. It's 95% polyester, 5% spandex, so it does have a nice stretch to it. I'm wearing Kelly and Katie Conradd platform sandals in gold silver from DSW. These are $59.99. The dress is $37. I mean, $37. Unbelievable. Runs in size extra small to extra large. But where on earth can you find a dress that looks like that for $37? Shein is where you can find a dress like that. I was floored. I loved it. Okay, so the first two dresses play into colors and trends of the season. Sometimes you just want a classic black dress. Sometimes that's just what you feel best in. You like the simplicity of it. Well, I found one of those too. This dress is by Venus. It's a black ruffle detail gown in black. It also comes in light pink. It's feminine and fierce. It's got a mermaid styling with all of the ruffles, has a slit up the front so you can really get the shoes to show on this one. It's perfect for a black tie affair, black tie wedding. It runs size 2 to 24. It has an invisible zipper with a hook and eye closure in the back. You can also adjust the straps to make them as tight or as loose as you'd like. That tiered ruffle at the bottom hemline is so beautiful, as well as that functional tie around the waist. You can really cinch it in. It does have some stretch to it. It's a poly spandex with a poly spandex lining. This dress is $36.99. I am wearing also the Kelly and Katie Conradd platform sandal in gold silver for $59.99. And I figured since the shoes have all the bling and the bedazzling, I'd really go for it with the earrings on this dress. Elegant and practical. And what I also did is I have this cape that I've had in my closet forever from Zara. And sometimes in weddings inside at night, I get cold, and it's nice to have something to be able to drape over your shoulders. So this little cape fits perfectly with this. Because it has that flared look to it, it really complements the flare on the bottom of this dress. Again, a Zara cape. I bought it probably 5 years ago. I don't know what I paid for it, but it's Zara, so you know it can't be that much. But sometimes you can dig around in your closet and you can find shawls and wraps that can really accompany dresses like these and tie it all together. But I love this one. I just love the simple elegance of that black, as well as the romanticism and the movement as you twirl and turn and your ruffles get to show. So this next dress that I want to feature is perfect if it's a beach wedding or garden wedding, daytime, possibly outdoors. It is beautiful. It is white. I am not afraid to wear white to a wedding as long as you don't pick a dress that looks like the bride. This one has some detail to it that I think makes it unique. It is stunning and fluid and flowy. Again, this one is from Shein. So it's the drape front, applique detail, texture knit dress. And this runs from size extra small to extra large. It's glamorous white. It has that beautiful floral pattern along the torso and the right-hand side. It's fitted. It's got the applique and a zipper in the back, V-neck, short sleeve, a very, very soft knit. It's 100% polyester, has a nice slight stretch to it. It's lined. So I feel that you get such great movement out of this dress. I just love this draping detail over the shoulder and down the side. And as you walk and turn, it just has a beautiful fluid movement to it. When I tell you the price of the dress, you might fall out of your chair. $26.49. Oh my goodness. With this dress, I am pairing Charles David Vania sandal in light pink. I just think it's the perfect accompaniment with the lace across the front of this sandal. The sandal's $79.99, the most expensive part. The earrings that I have on are earrings that my mother-in-law gave me. So they're very sweet and meaningful to me, and I love the white and how all of that plays together. But boy, this is just perfect if you are going to be spending some time outdoor for a wedding. The knit just makes it so casual and loose, but all those little extra details to it really bump up, in my opinion, the elegance factor. I was absolutely blown away. Let me also say, for the record, when all of these dresses came in, I thought for sure I would have to alter. I didn't have to touch one dress, not one. The size guide on the Shein website is very thorough, and I found that everything fit me to a T. 0 alterations, period. Okay, moving on to the next dress. This one is a talker for sure. I think this is perfect for the spring and summertime. This is a very versatile dress, can be worn indoors or outdoors. I love this exaggerated sleeve dress in yellow multi by Venus. It is dramatic. The sleeves are everything to me. They extend all the way down to the length of the dress, and then they have slits along each arm, so it shows off a little bit of skin underneath. It has a plunging V-neck, but to me it's not too low. It also has a slit up the front and this beautiful twist waist detail. But the colors on this dress are everything. It is amazing, from the yellows to the orange, the blue, the green, the pattern. Awesome. Can I tell you, by the way, how comfortable this dress is? It's a polyelastane. It is full on stretch, runs from size extra small to extra large. It even comes in plus sizes. The price of this fabulous exaggerated sleeve dress from Venus is $59. $59. And these are some new shoes that you're seeing. These I found at DSW. They're by Jessica Simpson. They're called Jewelry Sandal in Cork with faded yellow, blue, and pink. So multicolor is what you look for. These sandals are $64.99. They go perfectly with the dress. I also need to add that I paired some really fun gold jewelry with it. I figured the yellow in the dress was the standout, so really play off of the yellow with some long earrings and a big cuff bracelet, and let the jewelry be as loud and as powerful as the dress. But this is a knockout. It's a talker for sure, and it's probably the most comfortable dress you will ever own. And I also need to say for the record too, that all of the shoes that I purchased are amazingly comfortable. Think about it. When you go to a wedding or an event, you're going to be on your feet a lot, socializing, maybe even dancing, and you want shoes that will be able to last the night so your feet aren't screaming at you by midnight. Okay, we are moving on now to the last dress. Not everything is long. Sometimes an event could be more of a cocktail affair and you want something a little bit shorter, not quite as flowy. I am very drawn to straight fitting, almost bodycon style clothing and dresses in particular. Also, remember this, in weddings and events, the bride is in white, the wedding party is generally in blush or a very faded color. If you show up in a primary color, a red, a blue, a green, a yellow, an orange, you will pop in photographs. That's something I learned in television news. So this dress really pops. This is a bodycon dress by Shein. It's called ADYCE Gathered One Shoulder Bodycon Dress, and it fits like a glove. A very glamorous and sexy dress. It's long. It does have a zipper in the back, slim fit. It's not sheer whatsoever. It's a nice long pencil skirt, which I love. The only thing that I would do to this dress is probably add a slit up the back just for easier movement. I think it could use that, but again, that's a quick alteration. Polyester, 95% poly, 5% spandex, so it's got some really good stretch to it. Comes in small, medium, and large. Now I did check that it is sold out in royal blue, but it does come in other colors. It comes in blue, black, and turquoise. This ADYCE Gathered One Shoulder Bodycon dress is $48, and with it, a new shoe. This one is by Jessica Simpson. It's the PHEEBY Pump Black Pointed Toe, but look at the colors on the side. It's a blue-brown snake print, has a little bit of gold in it too. The shoe is $59.99. I love a nice pointed toe with a straight bodycon style dress. I think it's very 1950s classic looking. And since the shoe had a black patent toe, I played off of the black with a black cuff bracelet, also a black earring with a little bit of an ear cuff to give it a bit of an edge to it. But amazing prices for what I think are incredibly beautiful dresses. Loved every one. They all fit. The shoes all fit. The jewelry was mine. And that's all you have to do is put it all together. But this video blew me away. I mean, I was not expecting this. I was expecting to order 5, 6, 7 dresses and have to return a majority of them or start all over. But the fact that I found all of these from 2 different websites, Venus and Shein, blew my mind. And I just can't say enough. So I think that if you have something coming up, you will be able to find something to fit the bill without spending a fortune. And that's what I love about this Budget Beauty series, is that you don't have to break the bank and overdo it. I will most definitely put links to everything in the description portion of the video. Again, if they are sold out of something, take a look and peruse. Maybe you can find something similar or get on a wait list. But this video made me so happy. Made me so happy. I just love finding great things for a bargain. It's in my blood, just runs through my veins. My Nana, she did it to me. She would take me schmata shopping, as she would call it. So anyway, whatever you would like to see, if anything piques your interest, the comment section is where to leave it. Conversation always continues on social media, where you'll find me as we bridge the gap between Thursdays at 1 o'clock, which is when I'm here on YouTube, of course, Instagram and Facebook, every other time. And I look forward to being back here next Thursday. I swear I don't know how I'm going to top this. I just don't know. I don't know. I'm going to have to rack my brain. Go out, be bold, and be blessed. I'll see you next week. Bye.